Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I like to kick it old school by listening to my CDs that I have had since I was in my teens in the 90s, and something I just love playing them on is this ROADOM CD player. So some of the features that I really like are, for one, that it has a cover on it. Other small CD players that I've had before haven't had a cover and they get dust and debris in them. So it's really nice that this has a cover. You just simply push it and it pops open. I also love to listen to podcasts. So this is so nice because not only does it play CDs, but it also has a capability to attach to Bluetooth. So I can listen to my podcasts, audiobooks, or just even other music. And I really like that option. This has 2 speakers at the bottom, so it can get pretty loud. We live in a small home, and just having it in one of the rooms, I can hear it throughout our home and outside when it's at full blast. So I really like that it has that capability. You can also attach a USB or an auxiliary cable and listen to it on headphones or attach another device in order to play a music or something else. It's really stable and easy to move around, and you can place it on whatever countertop that you want. This has been awesome for me to be able to listen to all my old tunes and my new things on Bluetooth, and that's my point of view.